Hello there, my name's Ryan. I'm a horticulturist here at Wisley, and today I'm going to show you how to divide an herbaceous perennial. The plant I'll be dividing today is Carex ice dance. To do this task, you'll need a spade and a fork. The first thing to do is to fork round the clump to loosen the plant from the ground. So I'm just loosening the plant up, teasing it up gradually. So now it's loose from the soil. So now I'm going to get the spade and then lift it out the ground. There we go. So you can see now that it's coming away quite nicely. And we've got a nice clump there of the Carex that we can now split. So you can do this in two ways. You can either do it by driving the spade straight through the middle. So we put the plant on its side, like that. Find a natural point where it's going to break, and then drive the spade through to divide the clump in half. There we go. So now you've got one clump in two. Or, with a type of plant like this that's got quite fibrous roots, you can actually divide this quite easily with your hands, so you can just see how the plant naturally wants to divide up. So from this clump, we can probably get about 5 or 6 plants there, ready for using elsewhere around the garden. So just gently tease them apart. There we go. So that's one little clump there, like that. There we go. Another one there that we can do. And then this one's just falling away, as you can see. And the roots are just breaking apart very nicely there. There we go. So we've broken these into about 7 plants there. So there's 5 elsewhere in the garden. And these 2 I'm going to replant in the bed here to start off a new clump. Just pop it back in the hole and firm round gently. And there we go. And that should get going again in no time. All the tools you need for dividing your perennials at home can be found at any RHS shop.